You're invited to meet in Prince Edward Island, home to leaders in crop science, fisheries and aquaculture, food science and R&D, and value-added food processing. Here, agriculture isn't just a business, it's an important way of life. From prominent industry players to academic institutions, government and research partners, Prince Edward Island is a premier destination for agribusiness to meet. Unique venues, world-class food, stunning scenery, and out-of-the-box experiences all come together to create the perfect location for your next business event.
When it came time to pick a location to host the North American European Union Agricultural Conference, there was no shortage of reasons to choose Charlottetown, Prince Edward Island. As the host for this prestigious international event, we wanted a venue that was rich in agricultural diversity, in cutting-edge agriculture technology, and in world-class hospitality. And the icing on the cake? Prince Edward Island has some of Canada's most beautiful vistas.
Key players in Prince Edward Island's agribusiness community include Vanco Farms, growers of specialized potatoes and fresh-cut tulips; Atlantic Beef, producers of high-quality Atlantic Canada beef products; and Honeybee, developers of natural, trusted honey products.
When you host your business event on Canada's Food Island, you have access to the highest quality food products from the land and sea, an emerging culinary destination in our pristine island setting, and access to a leading cluster of food innovation capabilities. This creates the perfect destination to partner with you in delivering a unique and memorable experience for your conference attendees.
We invite you to host your business event on Prince Edward Island, where we will toast innovation, research, and collaboration. Business meets in Prince Edward Island.